So today we will learn about present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so this is going to be present and perfect continuous tense. Okay, this one is so important because people's and actually we also feel so much problem in case of present perfect continuous tense, and this special tenses which are going to be having lot of problems to be talking, and simply students cannot finding the easy to solve this one. Okay, but don't worry, I am with you and the grammar X with you. They will solve every problems to be related to your grammar, so don't worry, and our team will be help you. Okay, if you have any doubt, just go down and do comment section and they will going to be help you. ओके, सो फर्स्ट हम देखते हैं कि इसमें आइडेंटिफिकेशन क्या होता है. दैट विल बी गोइंग टू बी, सो लास्ट में इन मेस मोस्टली यू कैन लुक लाइक अ रहा है रहे. ओके, रहे एंड उसके बाद में लाइक जिस तरह से प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस था सेम वही, बट उसके साथ में क्या टाइम्स भी इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. लाइक एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे इसका स्ट्रक्चर जो होगा दैट विल बी स्ट्रक्चर. सो स्ट्रक्चर विल बी लाइक अ समथिंग सब्जेक्ट, एंड सब्जेक्ट के बाद में हैज़ एंड हैव. ठीक है, हैज़ हैव, उसके बाद में सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज़ हैव. आई विल गिव एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर टू doing easily. Okay, so don't worry, but you understand what is the going to be structure of that sentence. That will be subject plus has have, and after that been, subject has have, then been plus verb, that is a verb plus ing, which we was generally doing whenever we was talking about what present continuous tense. That time also we was doing subject plus is amr, and mostly was where also we was doing is amr and was where plus verb first form plus ing. In that case verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay, so that is simple thing here also, that a subject plus has have plus been plus verb first form. Remember this one also very important to you understand the form of the verb is a verb first form. Okay, so there will be some good chance to understanding the verb first form. Generally we understand verb first form, second form, third form, and it is very important to understand every form of every verb. Like if I talk about the read, so read first form is our reading first form is a read, and then a second form if I talk about the then the road, and then readed. Okay, so this is the something structure which is going to you will understand. Okay, there will be lot of good thing. एंड सो वेयर वी वॉज स्ट्रक्चर बात कर रहे थे, वी वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वन सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज़ हैव. ठीक है, एंड देन प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing प्लस आफ्टर दैट ऑब्जेक्टिव. So what is going to be subject plus has have plus been plus verb first form plus object. Okay, for example I can take some example. So example like I have been going school since Monday. Okay, मैं स्कूल सोमवार से जा रहा हूँ. सो दिस इज द गोइंग टू बी आई हैव बीन गोइंग स्कूल मंडे. ओके, आई कैन राइट हियर हिंदी आल्सो बिकॉज यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इजली. स्कूल सोमवार जा रहा हूँ. The main difference if I talk about the so present continuous tense and present perfect continuous, there is a little difference. Okay, and that little difference is what there will be some past time is involved. In that case present perfect continuous tense there will be some time involved, and in case of present continuous tense there will be no time involved. I can say that is a continuous time, so then become we say present continuous thing. Okay, so that is a present time. Okay, and this will be something perfect, like something happening your during time. So that is for that reason we say generally present perfect continuous time. This is the only alone reason for that we are doing this. So what I was talking, मैं स्कूल सोमवार से जा रहा हूँ से जा रहा हूँ. Okay, so this is the simple thing. So what I can write, I am going school since okay, so I have something forget here, and that is ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद में आफ्टर ऑब्जेक्ट यू विल राइट सिंस आर फॉर. ओके, verb first form ing plus object with since and for. Okay, since ISINCEO, this will be going to here since. And otherwise you can write if you don't writing since, then for. I will tell you where you can use since and where you can use for. There will be you feel some nervousness like where I can put since and where I can put for. So I will tell you that will also, that is all, that is a time. And then here you write time like from when you are doing that one, so there will be time. Okay, so I am going, so I am not, there will be no I am anything. I have been, there will be I have been going, going school. Okay, school since Monday. Okay, since Monday. Okay, Monday. Okay, so I have been going school since Monday. ठीक है, this will be going to okay like हुआ. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल, दिस वन इज अ फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, बी वाज अ कलेक्टिव एग्जाम्पल, ये फर्स्ट था. ओके, दूसरा एग्जाम्पल ओके, दूसरा तौर पे हुआ कॉलेज 3 साल से जा रहा है. ओके, so what we can write, the thing behind this, like he is, this is the simple thing which is not going to, I always forget this structure. So I am saying to you again, present perfect continuous tense. And the main important thing, you understand the structure of that tense, that will be going to be help you a lot, I can say. So he has been. Okay, if you have a subject first form, then you will use a has. If you have a first subject second form, then you will use a have, because there will be lot of confusion in people, like where I will use a has and where I will use a have. So this will be going to away from confusion. So if you have a singular, then you have use a has. If you have a plural, then you have use a have. Okay, so he is a what, he is a singular, so I will use generally, that is going to be has. So he has a, okay, so he has a been. Okay, has been, that is a procedure to writing. He has been going college, he has been going college for what, for since. He has been going college since 3 year. Okay, what, 3 year. Okay, so he has been going college since 3 year. I think this is clear. And then if we want to know what is the negative things, how we write the present perfect continuous tense in negative, so this is the going to be structure, present perfect continuous tense in negative. So I will write the structure of that, how we can write the negative form of that present perfect continuous tense, that I am going to writing now. So let's see this one also. So something like this is a negative structure of negative, structure of the negative, structure of negative perfect continuous tense. Okay, so this is the going to be same thing happen, and the B will only going to be use a not in place of after that has have. So look here, so this is a subject, and then after that has a have, which generally we are using has a have. Okay, and then after that not, is it okay, after that not, subject has a have plus not, and then verb first form, okay, first form. I will tell you one day, like every verb, like and their first form, second form, and third form. So don't worry about that. Just chill out there, and we will look at about that also. Okay, subject plus has, have plus not plus verb first form, and that is a verb first form. Yeah, that is verb first forms. And after that you will add ing. Okay, in that ing and plus object, and then since and for, and then timing was from that how many times is it that that thing we are doing. Okay, so then ing plus since and then for. Okay, since and for and plus time. Okay, then after time, subject plus has, have plus not, subject plus has, have plus not plus verb first form plus the ing plus since या for, and then we will use what is the timing that's going on, that will be going to use. Okay, so I will give some example of that. Okay, so example like I can say uh, like मोहन मोहन 5 साल से 5 साल से टाटा कंसल्टिंग सर्विसेज को जा रहे हैं. टाटा कंसल्टिंग, ठीक है. मैं आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट इन हिंदी, बट यू अंडरस्टैंड. TCS को जा रहे हैं. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट दिस वन लाइक मोहन हैज़ बीन, sorry, Mohan has a been. Okay, this is the been right here. Mohan has a been. Okay, yeah, yes, of course, Mohan has a been. Okay, so Mohan, that is a subject here which you can use generally. Mohan plus has been, has, here you can write been because this is the very important. If you forget this one, then there is no difference between the there will be some problem. Okay, so Mohan has, this is not, I am going to write plus because not needed. Mohan has been, what, Mohan has been verb first form, so he was going. Okay, he, so going, so go, the go is the first form of that. Here I am writing this one time. Okay, so there will be not problem going to happen. You understand this one time. Okay, so Mohan has been going. Okay, Mohan has been going, yeah, where? Tata Consulting, Tata Consulting Services. Okay, TCS. That's why Mohan has been going TCS since 5 years. Okay, since 5 years. Okay. Another has not. Okay, sorry, we are making negative, so not we can write here. Mohan has not been going TCS since 5 years. Okay, now next I am taking another example, and that will be going to be like someone else, like Sita is not, so sorry, there will be not is, has not been reading books for reading, that is reading books for 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours is a little time, like I can say this is the less amount of the time, so we will use for. If we was using since, then we will talk about the mostly like a 1 year, 2 year. This is a long period of the time, and this one is a short period of the time. Yeah, I generally I just generally prescribe when I write since and when I refer. So this is the very good example when we're talking about the 1 year, 2 year and 3 year. That time we will use since, and whenever we also talking about a little amount of the time, that time we will use like a for, and that is a easy procedure for us to be using that one. Okay, so Sita has not been reading books for 2 years. Okay, for 2 hours. I am very extremely sorry. Sita has not been reading books for 2 years. 2, yeah, sorry, I have to write 2 years. This is will be for 2 hours. Okay, HOURS hours. Okay. And now I will talk about the what is an interrogative sentences and how we will can write. Okay, how can we write that interrogative sentences? Now we will talk. So we know generally there will be two types of interrogative sentences where we will put a helping verb firstly, and then there will be another one which where we will put our interrogative words like when and where, mostly first, and then we will put any other helping verb, then we will put subject, then we will then we will put object, then that's a happen a sentence. Yeah, it's easy. So I will talk, if I talk about that, then we will use has, have, and then after that been. Okay, has, have, been. Yeah, that has, have plus subject, then subject. What is our subject? Then after that been, we will has, have, been plus verb first form, verb first form plus ing first form. Okay, that this will be going to verb first form plus ing. Okay, plus ing and plus object, and then since या for कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, जैसे since या for दोनों में से कोई एक सा यूज कर सकते हो, for and plus time. Okay, so what I told you, so this is, there will be a question marks here also, because that important, that is a significance and the presentation, I mean uh, presentation of that you have a interrogative sentence. Okay, so don't forget to write interrogative sentence, because that is main thing whenever anyone see your interrogative sentence, and that is very important thing. Whenever you writing an interrogative sentence, you will compulsory write that marks. Okay, that this marks. Okay, interrogative marks, this is very important. So we will make a sentence now. So I will write have I been, have I been, what, have I been going to school since Monday? Is it have I been going to school? We write generally after go to. Okay, so that is the important, that is preposition, and that is important thing. We every time you write also, have I been going to school since Monday? Okay. Now you was talking about when I will use since and where I will use for. Okay, since, so since we use a fixed time. Okay, whenever there will be fixed time, and that time we will use since. Okay, and where there will be no fixed amount of the time, then that time we will use for. Okay, so in place of for, we will use whenever there is a no fixed time. Okay, there is no any fixed time, and that time we will use what, that time we will use for. There is only a little difference between that, like when I use a since and when I use a for. Since when we use that time, there is a fixed amount of the time. Okay, like Monday is a fix. Okay, 2 year, that is also fixed. If I talk about 3 year, that is fixed. Yeah, absolutely 3 years. But I talk about 2 hour, it's not the fixed time. Okay, any 2 hours, this time 2 hours, and that tomorrow 2 hours, today 2 hours. So this is not fixed time, so that time we use what, for. And whenever there will be fixed time, that time we will use since. Okay, जब फिक्स्ड रहेगा that time you use since, and जब फिक्स अमाउंट की टाइम नहीं होगी, that time you will use what, for. Is it okay? So I can remove this one, and now I will talk about the some sentences. So that is have I been going to school since Monday, and another one you can write has he been reading books for 3 hours? So ये examples होंगे. Yeah, it's okay. So this is Arvind Upadhyay signing off.